Now that we're in hail season, 3 things to know about hail. Number one, in the case that you are dealing with hail, you need to know that any hail that's about 1 inch in diameter or bigger can damage your vehicle. A golf ball is bigger than 1 inch in diameter, so if the hail is this big, you pretty much know you're screwed. Hail can be bigger than a tennis ball, which we got actually last night, and this is one of the vehicles that was damaged. You're definitely going to be dealing with hail damage and related repairs if the hail is this big. Number two, if you are in a hailstorm, the hail starts coming down. As quickly as possible, make sure you get your vehicle to cover. If you have to stop under an overpass, make sure and pull way off to the side because other people are going to be idiots and keep driving. If you need to stop at a gas station, make sure to get completely under the cover. Pretty obvious stuff, but figured I'd bring it up. Number three, if you do get damage from the hail, make sure and go to an ASC certified and ICAR Gold certified facility. We happen to be at Accelerate Auto Repair and Collision, both. Hail damage side, the ICAR Gold is the most important because that's more collision related. ASC Master is more on the mechanical side. So you want to make sure and go to a team like ours. We have over 100 years of experience with collision related repairs. Make sure and contact your insurance company first. Make sure to deal with a shop that handles insurance claims from all insurance companies, because last thing you want to do is have your car at a place that won't work with certain insurance companies. That's very common these days because a lot of shops don't want to deal with certain insurance companies. Accelerate Auto Repair and Collision again here in Rowlett, Texas. We're here to help you in the case that you do get stuck in a hailstorm.